What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all are doing good and staying super blessed. Tonight, yes, tonight I have another video for you guys. This is going to be the POV nighttime drive. So you're going to hear the sounds, you're going to see the lights, you're going to see what it's like to really drive in my 2023 WRX Limited. And you know, I'm also going to be talking about some things that are coming up for the channel, some future plans, things that have been happening, why I haven't been able to upload, you know, every week like I used to be doing. I think it was over a year ago now that I was doing every week. Well, now it's about every 2 weeks, and there is a reason for that. I'm going to talk about that as well in this video. You guys, literally, I'm about to lose this house in the divorce, so you know, everything is coming full circle. It's coming at full speed. And, you know, I'm ready to start a new chapter in my life. Never give up. Always count your blessings that God gives you. Always pray every single night before you go to bed, and great things will happen to you. Manifest your dreams. Make it a reality. But all right, y'all, before we start, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Let's get this video started. Here we go. All right, y'all. We are going to set off here. I got the camera. Actually, it's mounted to the sunroof, believe it or not, and it looks pretty cool. So we're gonna try this angle. I will move it within the video, but just wanted you guys to make sure you could see me. And yeah, let's get going here. Oh, I need my glasses. Hold up. See if you guys can see me, okay. So I do have the lights on in the interior, but until I ordered this new light, y'all, for my DJI Osmo, but hopefully it's picking up on the light. Alright, y'all, so that was the POV drive. Just going to show you what it looks like. Here's the access ports and the interior. We got some red LED accent lighting right here. Same with on the steering wheel. As you know, the gauges analog, but honestly they're pretty bright, and they can go even brighter, so they can look like that. And then you got this massive 11-inch tablet bright screen. The dash cam up here, right? It's cool. This is something else I installed, front and rear dash cam. I'll throw the link up in this description, but it's by a brand called Pelsi. So it's a 4K front dash cam and then a 1080p or 2.5K rear. So right now I have it set on the 2.5K, but when there's not a lot of lighting it doesn't show. But anyways, that's what it looks like. I was thinking of adding some LED lighting in here, but I don't know. I really like the dark environment, y'all, in the WRX, to be honest with you, because the Type R had all those LED lights and stuff, and I just thought it was a little too much for my taste. But I kind of like it how it's a nice dark but it's clean vibe. I mean, the red accent LED lighting, it does show, it does pick up, you know what I mean, and it's really what it comes down to. So what is coming up for this car interior wise? Well, I really should do this in the daytime, but I am going to do this top portion right here. It's going to be in carbon fiber. It's going to be my molded innovations. And then I was also going to do the window switches front and rear in carbon fiber as well. And I'm going to do the Noble carbon fiber steering wheel with the Alcantara on the sides. So it'll be carbon fiber here, carbon fiber on the bottom, and then the sides will be Alcantara. And I think that's really going to bring out the look. I really do not want to change the original Subaru emblem because I already have the blue effect going on with the car. And you know, I don't know if you guys can make that out right here, but the billet works is blue, you know, and I can make the radar detector blue. Where is it? Right here, put it in here. So this is blue as well.
X-band.
There's some settings I could do on the camera, but yeah, that's really
GPS connected.
what it comes down to. Just wanted to show you guys what it's like to drive the WRX in the night. I'm probably going to get a couple more footage here, I should say, and then I think we're going to end the video. Got more mods coming up for the channel. As I discussed in my previous video, there are certain modifications coming up. I want to do a full carbon fiber hood, you know, either by JD Muscle or MSP. I want to do the MSP front and rear bumper and carbon fiber fully. I also want to do the MSP side fenders as well. You guys, literally, this is going to be a full carbon build. You guys can check out that other video for all that information. But yeah, let me turn the camera around here. So look, y'all, as I was saying in the beginning of this video, there's just a lot going on in my life right now, especially when you have 2 kids like I do. I have 2 kids. I'm taking care of them. I'm not married any longer. I am divorced. Me and my ex-wife are fully divorced. It was not a pleasant experience. I don't wish a divorce upon anybody. But if you have to go through it, just know, you know, you're ready to start a new chapter, right? A better chapter, so say. And that's what I keep telling myself. Even though I have lost my Type R in the divorce, I have lost this home in the divorce, I still have 2 beautiful children. I still have my mother around. I have a beautiful, gorgeous girlfriend. She's going to be on the channel here soon, y'all. I promise you, she's going to be on the channel soon. But, you know, I'm just counting my blessings basically every day is what I'm trying to say. And I feel you guys should count all your blessings too. Just know when there's a bump in the road, there's always a way. You always have a mission. You always have a goal to achieve it and get over it. All right? Much love and blessings, you guys. This is another video with Skylyfe Projects. More content is coming up. I will let you know when modifications are being ordered, when there's another project coming to the channel. Obviously, that'll be a world premiere video, right? But when that time comes, I'm going to keep you guys informed. I got a lot of plans for this channel, and I just want you guys to stay tuned. I love you guys. Much love, major blessings. Skylyfe Projects. Let's go.